In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails from one sender in Gmail. 5 minutes. If your inbox is crowded with messages from the same sender and you want a quick reset, this walkthrough will show you the fastest, safest way to remove them all at once. We'll use Gmail's search and bulk selection tools so you don't have to delete messages page by page. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign into the account you want to clean up. Give the page a moment to load your inbox. At the very top, you'll see Gmail's search bar. Click into it and type the sender's email address. For the most accurate results, use the from operator like this, from the address. If you're not sure of the exact address, start typing and choose the correct one from Gmail's suggestions so you don't accidentally pull in messages from the wrong contact. Press enter to run the search. You'll now see every message in your mailbox that matches that sender. Take a quick glance through the results to confirm they're the emails you want gone. If you spot any important messages you'd like to keep, open them in a new tab or star them for later before proceeding. At the top left of the message list, click the small checkbox. This selects all conversations visible on the current page. If there are more than one page of results, look for the blue link that appears right after selecting the checkbox. It will say something like select all conversations that match this search. Click that link to include every matching message across your entire mailbox, not just the first page. If you don't see the link, it means everything is already selected. With all the messages selected, click the delete icon, which looks like a trash can, at the top of the list. Gmail will move those emails to trash. You'll usually see a brief undo option at the bottom of the screen. Use it immediately if you change your mind. Otherwise, remember that items in trash are automatically permanently deleted after 30 days. If you need them gone right away, open the trash folder and empty it manually, but do that only when you're absolutely sure. That's it. You've quickly cleared all emails from a single sender. As a tip for the future, consider creating a Gmail filter so messages from that sender are labeled or skipped from the inbox automatically, reducing clutter over time. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cleaner inbox.